Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. Today I'm going to unbox for you our Lip Monthly. This is the April box. Now, obviously we are a little bit late on this. I did literally only receive it. I'm guessing with the situation the way it is because the subscription comes from United States, that things are taking a little bit longer, which is fairly understandable. I have cancelled the subscription. I have May's on its way, but after May I will not be doing a Lip Monthly on this channel anymore, unfortunately. Just before we do get into the video, if you wouldn't very much mind subscribing to my channel, I would really very much appreciate it, and just hit that button down below and come join us. So Lip Monthly, for those of you that don't know, it is a monthly subscription, well, meant to be monthly. You do receive between 4 and 5 full-size products. I, however, have never received 5 products. I've only ever received 4. Most of them are branded. Some of them I've never heard of, but that's not to say it's not a brand. I just personally haven't heard of it. The bag was £17.88. Sometimes that can fluctuate, but it's never... Usually it's a little bit below, a little bit higher than £17. Okay, so let's have a quick look and see what I got for April. The first thing I see is this is Laritzy Cosmetics. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. The colour in it is Thrill. Now, I'm not sure about Laritzy. I've tried to use the liquid lipsticks a few times. I just feel they're like really drying on my lips. So I maybe need to shove some sort of balm or something on first and see how that is. I do like this colour, and I've got a feeling I might even have this. I'm not sure. But it's definitely my colour and it's very pretty. That is like a true red. I like that a lot. Good start. Good start. I like that. Great. Okay, and then second item we have... And I also don't even know what's happened to the bag, because normally we get, like, you know, when them little bags with the zips across the top. And I really like them because I do put some of my stuff in them. This is just a little card you get. Welcome to April's bag. It's officially spring. Then we have a lip balm. This is by Noyah. It smells nice. It's vanilla. This is just a basic lip balm there. Okay, so I've got loads of these, so I'll probably give that to Owen. He likes the old lip balms. Then we have a Bellapierre. This is a matte to glitter lip cream. I think the colour in this is called Posh. Very pretty box, and this is glitter here. I don't know whether you can actually pick that up. Let's have a look at this. Oh, that's nice. Very pretty. Okay, that's the colour. That's very nude. Now I can see very subtle, very tiny pieces of glitter in that. You know, you're not going to look like a glitter ball wearing that, so you could wear this during the day. I mean, the glitter in that is very minute, very subtle. So yeah, I like that as well. Great. And our final product we have in here is... this is by Naked Cosmetics. This is in the colour Mother Nature. I feel like this is one of them loose eyeshadows, and I got one of these before and literally spilt it all over the place, so I'm going to be extra careful. Yes, it is. It's one of those loose pigment. I don't use these, to be honest. All that faffing about when I've got loads of eyeshadow palettes that just work as just as good as that. But yeah, okay, it's nice. Shall I try a little swatchy swatch? Well, it's very pretty, to be fair. Don't know whether you're going to pick that up, but it is quite pretty. Just here. Okay, I might use that, actually. Take that back, as you do. I forgot whether I said how much it is. It is normally £17.88 per month. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that button down below. I could really do with your help and support. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye. Take care. Bye.